Hey there, Prevost enthusiasts. Chris here from Prevost RV for Sale, spotlighting this unbelievable brand new 2026 Entertainer built by Nix Coach Interiors. We are really excited to be partnering with Nix Coach Interiors to help promote not only this bus, but another new build of theirs we will have coming very soon. Jamie and the team at Nix have been in the entertainer and leasing business for 23 years. They are bringing a unique perspective and knowledge from that side of the industry and applying it to building new entertainer buses. You will see more from Nix Coach Interiors on our channel in the weeks and months to come. For now, let's talk a little bit more about this particular bus. Again, this is a 2026 Entertainer built on the Prevost X3-45 chassis and completely customized by Nix Coach Interiors. It features the Volvo D13 engine, Allison automatic transmission, and two 20 kW EPS Tier 4 generators on a slide out. The entire coach was insulated by Nix before the interior was installed, and it has 5 Dometic Fresh Jet 5 roof AC units with heat strips. Air conditioning is ducted throughout the ceiling with concealed airflow and returns. Toe kick heaters are also in front and rear lounges. The front lounge features leather sofa seating, LED puck ceiling down lighting above the sofas, and two 50-inch Vizio smart TVs. There are storage drawers under the couches, cool white LED strip lighting behind, and as you can see, each window has its own individual shade with blackouts. There are Corian countertops throughout, and in the galley, we have a Corian backsplash, ceramic sink, 2 under-counter 120-volt refrigerator freezers, a microwave, and lower galley pull-out storage. All cabinet doors and drawers have positive catches and soft close hinges. In the front of the bus, we also have a private toilet room with vanity sink and an upgraded faucet. There are LED lights above the vanity and one 120-volt light, plus a mirror cabinet above the Aqua Magic toilet. The bunk section features 8 or 12 interchangeable private bunks. Each bunk has individual overhead lights with 120-volt USB Type A and Type C ports. Each bunk also has individual heat/air vents. Moving to the rear of the bus, we have a rear lounge with more leather seating throughout, along with closets and shelving. There are also two 40-inch Vizio smart TVs. I should also mention that the bus AV-wise has HDMI wall-mounted input jacks, compatible TV and component remote controls, a 5.1 soundbar with subwoofer, and there are 4 wireless cell phone chargers table-mounted in the front and rear lounges. Heading back up towards the front, we have this cool little mini fridge, and then the driver's section has this matching driver privacy curtain you can just see here in this photo. The driver area also has windshield blackout blinds, and this is where the generator stop-start, voltmeters, and other controls are. There is a ton more info about this bus, particularly about the electrical and water systems. You can read all about that down in the description below. This is also where we will put the current price and link to the ad in our Prevost Coach Marketplace, where you can see all the photos, get the specs, and of course, contact the seller. So if you're a band that just cut the record or you're on tour for the people, hit that link and send Jamie a message there. What do you guys think about this coach? Personally, I think it's one of the most sleek and functional entertainers I have seen, but let me know what you think down in the comments section below. And as always, be sure to subscribe for more Prevost coaches.